Computer drawing. It's a topic from engineering graphics and design. The contents are introduction to AutoCAD, command prompt window, pointing device, creating a new drawing, basic commands for 2D drawing, line, circle, polyline, rectangle, edge, fillet, chamfer, trim, extend, offset, dimension style, etc. and the references. First of all, what is objective of the subject? The subject course objective is to teach the students the basic commands necessary for professional 2D CAD drawing, design, and drafting using a 2D drafting tool. Even students with no previous CAD experiences can progress quickly through this course, which is arranged in a sequence that is easy to understand. Course outcomes. After learning the course, the students should be able to draw various types of drawing on AutoCAD software, draw any 2D view of the object, draw any 3D type of object, be able to render all type of drawings, be able to draw detailed drawing, present drawings in a detailed and visually impressive manner by using AutoCAD software. Drawing. The drawings are usually made by commercial software such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, etc. Here the figure is given to you which imparts a solid model generated by using the computers and the AutoCAD software. Introduction about AutoCAD. It's a leading CAD program with hundreds of industries using it every day. AutoCAD is the flagship product of the software company Autodesk, created in 1982 to enable the production of high quality 2D and 3D technical drawings. It was actually the first CAD software developed for personal computers. AutoCAD is a computer-aided software drafting program. It is used for a number of applications like creating blueprints for machine components, buildings, bridges, and computer chips to name a few. It is 2D and 3D computer-aided drafting software application. Now, what are AutoCAD commands? At the bottom of the drawing screen in AutoCAD, you will find the command window. Command prompt window. The command window, as shown in the figure, it is the place where you can type in AutoCAD commands, enter coordinates, and select what type of information you wish to enter. This is also the place where AutoCAD prompts you and asks you questions. It is important to read the command prompt when working with an unfamiliar command. The command window by default is located at the bottom of the drawing area. However, it can be moved and resized to suit the user's need. Pointing device is a mouse. AutoCAD uses either a mouse or digitizing tablet to select objects in a drawing. Left mouse button, it is used to pick or select objects. Click the left mouse button to select an object area in the drawing. Press escape twice to deselect an object or to cancel a command. Right mouse button, it is used to enter a command, repeat last command, or access shortcut menus. Click the right mouse button for that. Command shifts the location of a whole view. Choose view and pan or click the pan icon or type pan from the command prompt. The shortcut key is P. Zoom command. It increases or decreases the apparent size of objects in the current view. Choose view, menu, zoom or click a zoom icon directly or you can type Z. Type one of the following zoom options. Zoom in and zoom out the object. Next command is undo and redo command. It reverses the last action. Choose edit menu, undo or click the undo icon directly or press Ctrl plus Z. Type U at the command prompt to undo the last command which reverses the last action. You're done. Redo command. It reverses the effect of a single undo or U command. It is opposite to undo command. For that choose edit menu, redo or click the redo icon directly or type redo at the command prompt to redo the last undo command. The command is redo. Creating a new drawing. Command is new command. It creates a new drawing file. You, as shown in the figure, a select template table is provided here, which asks for the file name and file or type of file template will be given. For example, drawing template star.dwt extension is provided here. So choose file menu, new, or press Ctrl plus N, it is a shortcut key, or click the new icon, or type new at the command prompt, which provides your table. So choose one of the options for creating a new drawing, click the OK button, and save the drawing as a quick save command. The Q save command is equivalent to clicking save on the file menu. If the drawing is named AutoCAD saves the drawing using the file format specified on the Open and Save tab of the Options dialog box and does not request a file name. If the drawing is unnamed, AutoCAD displays the Save Drawing As dialog box and saves the drawing with the file name and format you specify. So press Ctrl plus S, it is a shortcut key, or click the save icon directly, or type Q save at the command prompt. The command is a Q save to save the drawing. You observe here other drawing tools which are provided like line, polyline, circle, arc, etc. Line command, the shortcut key is L. Its location is in draw menu. You will find line command. The line command draws a straight line from one point to another. When you pick the start point of the line, you need to specify the end point of the line segment on screen. You can either continue to specify additional line segments or end the line there. If you want to undo a previous line, enter U at the prompt. To end the command, you can press enter or escape or enter C to close the series of line segment. So line command is used to draw a line. It's a screen for the line command is L. So you can directly click the line icon directly for that. Type line from the command prompt or press L in the command prompt. Press enter, pick from point, please specify the next point and type U to undo the last segment or type C to create a close polygon by using the line command. Line command, the shortcut key is P-line or PL. Its location is in draw menu. A polyline is a connected sequence of line or arc segments created as a single object. You can use this command to create open or close polylines. These polylines can have a constant width or different starting and ending widths. Once you have specified the first point of the polyline, you can use the width option to specify the width of all the subsequently created. Here you can choose draw menu, polyline, or pick the P line icon directly. Type P line at the command prompt. The shortcut key is P line or the PL. Pick a point on the drawing to start the polyline. Type one of the following options: arc, close, half width, length, undo width, etc. Or you may directly type the end point of the line. Pick a point to continue drawing. You can close the polyline by pressing C. It's a screen for the polyline command. Now next command is the circle command. Its shortcut key is C. A draw menu, select a circle, select different options given in it. The first option is center with radius. The circle command draws a circle based on radius and the center point. The default command requires you to specify a center point and the radius, usually on screen. If you enter circle or C into the command window, you will be prompted to pick an option where you can specify the center point or click a highlighted command option. The circle command you can you can open the draw menu, select the circle or click on the circle icon directly. Type circle at the command prompt. When you type the command circle in the command prompt, type one of the following options: 3 point, 2 point, or tangent radius. There are different options available under the circle command. Pick a center point, type a radius or diameter, pick a radius or diameter, the circle like this. These are the different options and examples based on different options available under the circle command. Circle with center and radius, circle with center and diameter, circle with tangent and tangent radius, circle with tangent, tangent and tangent. These are the different options available under the circle. You can find here inside the screen. Command is the arc command. Choose draw menu, select arc or click the arc icon directly or type arc at the command prompt. The type of the arcs, different options are available under the arc. Here the few tips are provided. Except for 3 point arcs, arcs are drawn in a counterclockwise direction. While in the arc command, press the right mouse button to select the following options for the arc. Under the arc, 3 point arc, start center end arc, start center angle arc, start center length arc, start and angle arc, start and direction arc, start and radius arc, start center start end. These are the different examples available for the arc. 3 point arc, start center and end, start center and included angle, start center and chord length, start end and radius, start end and direction. Next command is a polygon command. The polygon command can be used to draw any regular polygon from 3 sides up to 1024 sides. This command requires 4 inputs from the user: the number of sides, a pick point for the center of the polygon, whether you want the polygon inscribed or circumscribed, and then a pick point which determines both the radius of this imaginary circle and the orientation of the polygon. So this command also allows you to define the polygon by entering the length of her side using the edge option. So the polygon command may be accessed in the following way: draw panel, select the icon for the polygon, command window. The command window commands are pol, pol, or the polygon directly, which is used to generate polygon. It may be pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, or octagon. The number of sides, whatever provided you as a input. Now next command is the rectangle command. The command shortcut is REC or the rectangle. Location is under the draw menu. The rectangle command is used to draw a rectangle with sides that are vertical and horizontal. You can specify the position and size of the rectangle by choosing two diagonal corners. Essentially, a rectangle is a closed polyline that is automatically drawn for you by AutoCAD. This one is the rectangle command window. Choose draw menu, select rectangle, click the rectangle icon directly, or type rect, RECTNG, rect at the command prompt command. So which provides different options under the rectangle command: chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness, width. So pick the first corner, pick other corner, or mm, you can directly type the coordinates. Suppose left top coordinates and the right bottom coordinates. So you provide the diagonal endpoints which generates the rectangle directly through the rectangle. So are specified for the rectangle. Specify first corner point, which includes different options like chamfer, which creates a rectangle with chamfered corners; elevation, which enables you to specify the elevation of the rectangle; fillet, which creates a rectangle with filleted corners; thickness, which enables you to specify the thickness of the rectangle; width, which enables you to specify the line width of the rectangle. Rectangle options after picking the first corner point, which provides different options like area, enables you to specify the area and length of the rectangle; dimension, which enables you to specify the length and width of the rectangle; rotation, which enables you to specify the angle of the line that connects the first and second corner of the rectangle. Are the different options available under the rectangle command. Next command is the hedge command. The shortcut key is edge. Location is under the draw menu. You will find the hedge command. A hedge is an object that covers an area with a pattern of lines, dots, shapes, solid fill color, or gradient fill. When you start this command, the ribbon will display the hedge creation tab, where you can pick from a variety of hedge patterns. After you have chosen your pattern and the scale, you just need to click inside an area that's enclosed by objects. After you have created the hedge, you can adjust the area or delete any surrounding objects to create partial hedge. Table provided under the hedge command. So you will find here hedge and gradient, which provide different types of pattern with the images. So choose the draw menu and the hedge command, or directly click on the hedge icon, or type hedge at the command prompt, which will provide us such menu and provide the hedge pattern over the enclosed area. Next command is a modify command. The modify tools are from left to right, which includes different types of commands here. Erase, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, scale, stretch, lengthen, trim, extend, break at point, break, chamfer, fillet, explode. These are the different commands available under the modified command tool. First one is a fillet command. Fillet command, as you can observe inside the figure, icon or image for the fillet command. The shortcut key is F, which converts sharp edges into the round edges. You need to provide radius for that. Next command is the chamfer command. The chamfer command will chamfer the intersection of two lines to a specified distance. Here you can find the chamfer edges inside the figure. Trim command. The trim command allows you to trim objects in a drawing so they end precisely at a cutting edge defined by one or more other objects inside the drawing. So for that you need to choose modified. Under it you will find the trim. Select the trim or directly click the trim icon. Type trim at the command prompt. The command is trim. So select cutting edges. For that pick the cutting edge to extend to. Press enter to accept the cutting edge. Pick objects to trim. Press enter when you are done choosing objects. Select object to trim. So which as shown in the figure, lines trim to an arc. Arc is a cutting edge. So through the trim command you can directly erase such extended images. Extend command. The extend command is similar to the trim command in how it functions, except it extends a selected line to a point of intersection or another selected object. So you can extend another profile which connects next profile. Extend command. For that purpose, you need to choose modify extend or click the extend icon directly or type extend at the command prompt. Select boundary edges, pick the boundary edge to extend or press enter to accept the boundary edge. Pick the objects to extend. Select an object, press enter when you are done choosing object. Command is the offset command. Offset will make a copy of a line or series of selected lines by a specified distance in the direction specified. So you can provide offset to a particular part or the particular profile. With the offset or certain distance, you can generate same or similar part or similar profile. So for that purpose, you need to choose modify offset or choose the offset icon directly or type offset in the command prompt or the shortcut key is O. Type the distance to offset, pick the object to offset, pick a side to offset, object to another object to offset, select object to offset, press enter to end the command. So here inside the figure you can find the offsetting objects by specifying a distance. A line will be offsetted over here and a circle profile is drawn by using the offset. Next command is the dimensional style command. In the dimensional style command you can find here the icon or shortcut key is a D. Here it is used to create and modifies dimension styles. Command further commands includes erase. Yeah, select this button, then a drawing element to erase it permanently from the drawing. So we can delete or erase a drawing permanently by using the erase command. Next command is the copy command. The copy command will copy any selected drawing in elements and reposition where specified by the user without affecting the original elements. Next command is the mirror command. The mirror command will create a mirror image of any selected drawing elements along any line of symmetry specified by the user. So we can generate a mirror profile of any component with the help of line of symmetry. Next command is the array command. The array command quickly creates copies of selected objects to a specified spacing. There are two options available inside it, rectangular array and the polar array. Inside the rectangular array, rows and columns, number of rows and number of columns will be asked table. So by providing number of rows and number of columns, you can generate any profile. Inside the figure, you will find the example. Next option is a polar array. Inside the polar array, the screen will a table will open and it will ask for the center point x, y coordinates and the total number of items you require to fill along with the angle to fill. You provide 360-degree angle or any number of profile, you can generate it here the profile in the polar array. These are the different top 10 modification tools with the command, icon, shortcut key, and the action. The first one is the trim. Shortcut key is TR, trims object to selected cutting edge. Extend, shortcut key is EX, extends object to selected boundary edge. Offset, shortcut key is O, offsets an object by a set distance. Explode, shortcut key is X, breaks object into its component objects. Fillet, shortcut key is F, converts sharp edges into round edges. Stretch, shortcut key is S, stretches a selected object. Mirror, shortcut key is MI, creates mirror image of selected object. Array, shortcut key is AR, creates a repeating pattern. Chamfer, shortcut key is CH, creates angle corner between two lines. Dimension style, shortcut key is D, creates and modifies dimension styles. These are the examples of AutoCAD commands with different shortcuts. You can find inside the image different shortcuts available with different commands. Mostly utilized commands are Q save, arc, zoom, erase, dimension style, circle, fillet, uh, hatch, move, offset, line, pan, insert. These are the different commands which is uh, part of our syllabus. So it is all about AutoCAD. These are the different questions available from G2 previous year's papers. Explain the following AutoCAD commands: hash, circle, and array. Explain the following AutoCAD commands: mirror, trim, extend, and fillet. Why chamfer is done on a workpiece. Write the steps to create a chamfer in AutoCAD command. List and explain different methods to draw a circle in AutoCAD. Similarly, write difference between line, polyline, and its uses in AutoCAD. List and explain different methods to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. List the 6 essential commands to modify panel in AutoCAD. List and explain different methods to draw polygon in AutoCAD. Write difference between line, polyline, and its uses in AutoCAD. List and explain different methods to draw arc in AutoCAD. So it is all about questions asked in previous years G2 examination. These are the references available.